Introduction to AirDroid.
AirDroid is a user-friendly tool designed to transfer files wirelessly between computers and mobile devices. Whether you're moving photos, videos, or documents, AirDroid streamlines the process across different platforms, including Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up AirDroid and start transferring files with ease, making cross-platform sharing more efficient.
Installing AirDroid on your devices.
To get started, download the AirDroid app on your mobile device from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then, visit the AirDroid website on your computer and download the corresponding desktop client or use the web version. Install the apps and create a free AirDroid account or log in using your Google or Apple credentials for a simplified setup.
Connecting devices for file transfer.
Make sure both your computer and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open AirDroid on your phone and computer and sign in with the same account. Your devices will appear linked within the app. Tap or click your device name to ensure a secure connection, enabling fast and reliable cross-platform file transfers.
Transferring files between computer and mobile.
To send files, select the appropriate device in AirDroid. On desktop, drag and drop files into the AirDroid window, or use the app's interface to browse and choose what you want to transfer. On your phone, use the File Manager in AirDroid to select files and send them to your connected computer. Transfers happen instantly over your network.
Exploring additional features and troubleshooting.
AirDroid offers more than just file transfers. You can mirror notifications, remotely control devices, and manage messages. If you run into connection issues, ensure both devices are on the same network and restart the app if needed. The Settings menu provides further options for customizing transfer preferences, ensuring smooth and secure operations.